In the corridor of success, there is a special way of thinking called the Billionaires Mindset. Wealthy individuals knows the function of money is expansion. It can be simplified in a simple sentence, which is use the money that you make to make more money. Secondly, the frugality lifestyle of billionaires stand out as a testament to their strategic approach to finances. Despite their immense wealth, many billionaires opt for the surprising modest lifestyle, choosing to prioritize financial prudence over extravagant indulgence. This intentional decision to live frugally reflects their keen understanding of the value of money and the importance of disciplined spending habits. Let's dive deeper into the mindset behind the investment mentality and frugality lifestyle of billionaires and uncover its secret to lasting success. If you love the content of this video, do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Alright, let's start with the most basic question. Who is a billionaire? A billionaire is a person with a net worth of 1 billion, that is 1,000 million units of a given currency, usually of a major currency such as the United States dollar, euro, or pound sterling. In 1850, the United States was home to 19 millionaires. By 1900, the number of millionaires in the United States had grown to more than 4,000. In 1950, there were 17,000 millionaires. In the year 2000, there were about 14.7 million millionaires worldwide. In the year 2010, report found that there are 10.9 million people in the world with more than 1 million worth of investable assets, and a total of 1,011 people made the list of billionaires. In the year 2020, in the 34th annual Forbes list of the world billionaire, the list includes 2,095 billionaires with a net worth of $8 trillion. From the history lane, we can see that the number of wealthy individuals is on the increase. So in today's episode, we explore two essential characteristics of billionaires. Welcome to the fascinating world of billionaire, where success isn't just about flashy cars and lavish parties. It is about smart choice and clever investment. Let's take a look into their mind and see how they do it. Imagine being rich but choosing to live simply, like driving an average car and living in a regular house. This is the frugal lifestyle of many billionaires. It is not about being stingy. It is being smart with money. They know that every dollar counts, so they spend wisely, focusing on what really matters instead of plunging into things that fade away. But being frugal is not enough to make billions. Billionaires also have a knack for investing. They don't just save money, they make it grow. It is like planting seed and watching them turn into big beautiful trees over time. Every decision they make, whether it's about money or opportunity, it is like a chess move. They think ahead and calculate the risk. Think about it. Instead of blowing cash on stuff they don't need, billionaires put their money where it can grow. They invest in businesses, stock, and ideas that have the potential to skyrocket. It is not about making a quick money. It is about building something that lasts, a legacy that will outlive them. In a nutshell, the mindset of billionaire is all about being smart with money and making long term by living frugally and investing wisely. They create a way for lasting success and leave a mark on the world that goes beyond their bank account. So, if you want to think like a billionaire, start by spending smart and investing in your future. You know, you might just be on your way to joining the ranks of the super rich. Billionaires may seem like they live large, but many of them are actually pretty smart with their money. They balance a simple lifestyle with smart investing. Instead of splurging on fancy things, they save and invest their money wisely. They might drive regular cars and live in irregular houses, but that is because they know the value of every penny by being careful with their spending. They make sure they have enough money to invest even more money in the future. They don't just invest in stock and businesses, they also invest in relationships and ideas. This smart approach helps them grow with their wealth over time. They don't expect instant results, but they are patient and focus on long-term success by being frugal and smart investors. Billionaires build a stable financial future for themselves and make a big impact on the world around them. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and also share this page with a friend. Feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. My name is Phillips. See you in the next video.